Hey, this is Hans from Covered 6. Today I'm going to be showing you the Condor Pursuit pack configured as a team trauma bag. We use this bag with our special response teams as well as our mobile field force teams that are currently embedded with law enforcement agencies across Southern California. This is also a great bag if you're on a rescue task force, TEMS, or even an executive protection detail. So let me take you through the bag. What we've done as a modification is we actually took the black paracord off and we replaced it with these red pull tabs for a little bit easier identification. Now, if you open up this first pouch, what we've done is we've set it up as a non-life-threatening medical gear. The bottom of this is also lined with loop fabric, so if you want to put on your own pouches, you can do so. Now, as I open it up, it has a clamshell design where the entire thing, again, is lined with this loop Velcro. And one thing that we actually did was to give us a little bit quicker access to our tourniquets is we've laid them out and the tourniquets will actually hook to this loop Velcro. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can actually get the Condor QD M4 mag pouches and place them on there and you can use those as well. Going through the bag, we try to follow the March algorithm as closely as possible. So these first two pouches are massive hemorrhage, right? So this first one I have my combat gauze, I've got my wound packing gauze, and below here I've got my bandages. These pouches do not come with the Pursuit pack. However, you can get these from Haley Strategic. So continuing on the bag, at the bottom I have just some of my extra gear. I have a SWAT T tourniquet in there. I have a space blanket for that head and hypothermia, and I also have extra triangle bandages. All right, now let's go to the back side of the pack. And what we've done is to set this up is if you open up the back portion where normally you would put a hydration carrier, what we've done is we put in SAM splints as well as more triangle bandages. And a really cool portion of this bag that I like a lot is we actually have the ability to carry a North American Rescue Tactical Extraction Device, or TED litter. As you guys can see, I can just pull it out of here, I can stuff it back in, no problem, and it can be stowed away. I don't have to worry about a pouch dangling off my bag or worried about it catching on anything. It sits right into here in the rear pouch, and I'm set up ready to go. Now, another add-on that we've done to this bag is we've placed our Covered 6 custom rifle plate in the back portion, which fits perfectly well in this back pocket. This is also the exact same rifle rated plate that we use in our Savior shields. So other than the versatility that this bag has to offer, let me show you another feature that I personally like. Now, if you look, we have a handle on each side, including the top. What this is the gliding handle system. Now, it's an entire one-piece loop, whereas if I grab this side, and then I grab this side, it actually tightens the loop around the bag, keeping it extremely clean. If you'd like to learn more about this bag, go to c6gear.com. And if you'd like to learn more about Covered 6, go to covered6.com. Thank you again.